Oh, this should be a fun one. I'm trapped here with the dogs. It is Joey from Sun Outdoors with my new friends, Jim and Deb.
I'm Jim.
Oh, Jim and Deb. Let's do this. Before we start this RV Cribs, though, I did want to thank you both for your service in the Air Force.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. It was our pleasure. Do you want to come into our home?
Let's do this. Oh, look at this. What made you guys want to really take on this new journey of life?
We were in the Air Force for all of those years, and then we thought we saw everybody else's country, so it was time to see our own. So she said, let's go full time. I came home with the truck. Next thing you know, we buy the trailer, we sell the house, and we just did it, bam, bam, bam.
It wasn't a lifetime
and
plan.
Here we are.
It was just overnight. It was just like, let's do this. We may be a little impulsive.
It's time we take a little tour.
This is my kitchen. Everything we special ordered in here. There's a convection oven, but I can't bake in there because things don't rise, so I use this to bake.
And one of the most important things to me is my garage. So normally I have the Can-Am in here, or else a Harley and a golf cart. And normally they aren't in here, and then the beds come out of the ceiling if you want, or two couches, there's a TV. And this is the bathroom. And we're coming to the bedroom next.
And how many years have you guys been together?
24.
24 years. So you've been living in this full time for 2 years. So the first 22 years that you guys were together versus these last 2 years being in this 425 square foot.
It's awesome.
How's it been?
It's awesome. We love it. We have zero regrets.
You have to like your partner.
Yeah.
That is, you have to like your partner. If you don't like you, because we spend a lot of
As
time.
she walks so much closer to him, look at that.
You're so much closer now because truly we're the only friends that are always here together. Everywhere we move anywhere from a day to a couple months. It's always new friends, new neighbors. So our only consistency are us and the dogs.
Whew, beautiful day to enjoy this sunshine on the patio deck. I love this.
This comes in handy, especially if you're over the water.
Got the nice view here and appreciate the amazing tour. This was so much fun. Once again, Joey with Sun Outdoors, Jim and Deb, thank you guys.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure.
RV Cribs, we are out of here.